Get your sausage good and cooked up. Cook up your bacon. Set your oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Get your dough going. Get your sauce ready. Dough is ready. Let the dough rise for about 45 minutes, covered. Put the pizza dough on a floured counter and roll out. Place the pizza dough on a pizza screen. Fold over the edges. Add your sass and spread around. Add pepperoni underneath the cheese on top of the sauce that you spread around, and ham. Add cheese. Now it's time to add more pepperoni and ham. Now it's time to add your cooked sausage. And bacon. Lots of bacon. That's what makes these pizzas good. Into the oven. Get your pizza out of the oven. And put it on a cutting pan. There it is. Cut the pizza for serving. Serve you and your friends some slices. And enjoy. Thanks for watching.